In a world brimming with health trends and nutritional advice, it's easy to get lost in the sea of information. But what if I told you there's a simple drink, a concoction of just turmeric and lemon water that has been making waves for its incredible health benefits? Yes, you heard it right. Today, we're going to shed light on this golden elixir and uncover the truth about turmeric lemon water. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest health guides, and don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Turmeric, with its active ingredient curcumin, and lemon water are both celebrated for their health benefits when consumed individually. However, when combined, they create a powerful blend that might just reduce your visits to the doctor. Let's break down the science behind this claim and explore the health benefits of drinking turmeric lemon water daily. Firstly, turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric, has been extensively studied for its potential to improve heart health, prevent Alzheimer's and cancer, and alleviate symptoms of arthritis. Its antioxidant capacity can neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing damage to cells and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. On the other hand, lemon is a powerhouse of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts the immune system, aids in the production of collagen, and enhances iron absorption. Lemon water aids digestion, freshens breath, and promotes hydrated skin. Now, imagine combining these two superfoods into one drink. Turmeric lemon water becomes a potent health elixir that harnesses the benefits of both, offering a synergistic effect that amplifies their individual properties. Here are some of the benefits you might experience. Enhanced immune function. The combination of vitamin C from lemon and the anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin can strengthen your immune system, making you more resistant to infections and illnesses. Improved digestion. Lemon water is already known to kickstart the digestive system, and when turmeric is added, it can help reduce bloating, gas, and other digestive issues thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Detoxification. This drink acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse the liver and improve its ability to detoxify the body. Turmeric increases the production of vital enzymes that reduce toxins in the body, while lemon water stimulates the liver's natural detox functions. Skin health. The antioxidants in turmeric and vitamin C in lemon water can contribute to clearer, more radiant skin by reducing inflammation and neutralizing free radicals that cause aging. Heart health. Curcumin has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease by improving the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels. When paired with lemon water, it can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, leading to a healthier heart. Weight loss support. Drinking turmeric lemon water can support weight loss efforts by enhancing digestion and metabolism. The combination can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Preparing turmeric lemon water is simple. Just add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and the juice of half a lemon to warm or hot water. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. For added flavor and health benefits, consider adding a pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin. It's important to note, however, that while turmeric lemon water is a powerful health elixir, it's not a magical cure-all. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are essential for optimal health. Moreover, individuals with certain health conditions or those taking medication should consult a healthcare provider before incorporating turmeric lemon water into their daily routine, as turmeric can interact with some medications. Despite these precautions, the anecdotal and scientific support for turmeric lemon water's benefits is hard to ignore. Many people who incorporate this drink into their daily routine report feeling more energized, experiencing fewer digestive issues, and noticing an improvement in their overall well-being. Furthermore, Adopting this simple habit can foster a mindset of health and wellness, encouraging you to make more health-conscious decisions throughout your day. Whether it's choosing more nutritious foods, staying hydrated, or setting aside time for exercise, starting your day with turmeric lemon water can be a step in the right direction towards a healthier lifestyle. Turmeric lemon water is more than just a trend. It's a testament to the power of combining simple, natural ingredients to enhance your health. Its benefits, ranging from improved digestion and immune function to detoxification and skin health, make it a worthy addition to your daily routine. However, remember that it should complement a well-rounded approach to health and wellness. We hope this video has illuminated the potential benefits of turmeric lemon water and inspired you to give it a try. If you've experienced the benefits of this golden elixir or have any tips to share, please leave a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community's knowledge, but also inspire others to take steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on natural healing and health. Together, we can explore the wonders of natural remedies and their impact on our well-being. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, embrace the journey towards a healthier, happier you.